guys, as you can see, no tracks. This is do-it-yourself clipping tutorial where I tell you guys how to do your hair on your own at home, and also how to create the clippings at an affordable price. Tune in. So as you just saw my weave, it is called Brazilian synthetic weave, and I got from a local beauty store. Alright, I just clipped in the first one. This one actually is I just bought the weave and then I bought the clips. These are the clips. Alright, I bought the clips and then I sewed them onto the weave. Alright, so I just put in the first one and let's continue, guys. So that was the first half, and then I will start and go lower. I don't usually do it this way, but we're gonna do a quick one today. I actually have all the lengths cut out here, and I'll just be clipping them in really quickly. You actually don't need to have your parts very straight. It doesn't matter because nobody's going to be checking your parts. Okay? And also, you don't put it straight to the root of the hair because you don't want to have the weave pulling down the hair. Alright, so just go ahead and put it like a half a second away from the hair. Okay, just a moment, my laptop here is just giving a bit of it's okay, let's go in again. So you just part. And what I did was, when I was creating the clippings, because I did it myself, I took the weave and I just measure it onto my hair to ensure that I have the correct length before cutting it. After I cut the hair, that is when I add in I started sewing the clips onto the weave. So I'm just going to add the next one there. So you just comb it out, make sure it's nice. This weave in particular, you can continue to use it like reusable weave. So you don't have the stress of continuing to buy new weave all the time. So it's almost like human hair. You just keep using it over and over. Alright, so that's what it looks like from the back. Okay, and let's move up. So you just put a little here to you just put a little bit of here to ensure that you're covering the clips. You don't want to show the tracks. Just continue to part. Not all the time I put it the same length, but for this one, yes. Feels good, feels very full so far. Let me brush it out for you all. Part on the front also to cover the tracks. So you just keep parting around and around the whole time. You part, you put the clip in, you part some, cover the tracks, and continue. So this again, just covering the tracks. I feel like a model already, guys. There's the clip again. You all can see I sewed in that clip myself. You know, you don't have to go out and buy these expensive clippings. You can do it yourself. Do it yourself at home at a good price. This one I just put it a bit higher, as you can see. Just make it, full, and so you guys can see the volume. I'm also parting here again. This one I'll be doing a short style, not much. Put up my hair. Right. So as you guys can see, I just brushed it out, and that is how good it looks. You don't even see the tracks, and it looks very full. Okay, so we're about to complete. So again, remember to always put some hair down to cover the tracks. And you can put it in any style you want. If you want it straight back, if you want some in the front, up to you. For this one, I'm going to do a kind of side part. If you're going to put some hair to the front, ensure that you leave out like 2 inches or so in the front. So you don't want the tracks showing. This one is a bit hard to clip. Right, just clip it down. Right. And now I'm just going to cover it up with some hair. It's as simple as this. I actually don't have my barbecue pins right now to put it in. Okay, let me show you all as I brush it to the front. Full volume. Okay, just make sure you have a nice little part. Right? And brush it back. Make sure you cover up all the tracks, ladies. So I'm feeling a bit like some is showing. So I just have to continue to brush it back until I ensure that all is covered. Alright? Even if you have some extra, you can always add that in. Because as you guys can see here, I have a few, this is almost a bundle if you put it together, remaining here, and you just brush it off really quickly. And if you're in a hurry, you could possibly even use it as a ponytail. It's up to you really. Okay, so yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, so you can use this again, and even this after you're done with it, you can always reuse it. So you have different styles. You can brush it like this, you can pat it down the center. Actually, I don't have a mirror in front of me, so you pat it down the center like this, and you bring it across. But of course, the middle you will see a track. So this is the secret. You make a part this way, right, and then you cover it up. And the same thing on the next side. You just brush it all the way across. Just continue to brush it all the way across. Guys, make sure to cover up those tracks. And there we have it. You guys tell me whether my part is straight or not, because I can't see it at the moment. So you just put it in a woogie and you're good to go. You can even roll it up into a quick bun. It's up to you. No matter the occasion, you're ready to go. Get your hair done within like 5 minutes. So thank you so much for liking this video, guys. I know you all enjoyed it because I enjoyed taping this video to show you guys and do it at home tutorial of clipping, also how to create your own clippings. So be sure to like and subscribe my page, of course, guys, and continue to tune in because I am always releasing videos. Love you guys. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.